Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable Hyper-V for gaming on Windows 11. First, press the Windows key and type Turn Windows Features on or off. Click the matching search result to open the Windows Features window. Scroll down through the list until you find the Hyper-V folder. Remove the checkmark next to Hyper-V. Then continue scrolling and locate Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. These settings are important for virtualization and can affect gaming performance. Uncheck both of them as well. Click OK and allow Windows to apply the changes. If Windows asks you to restart, wait until we complete the remaining steps first. Next, we will disable memory integrity. Open the Windows Start menu and search for Core Isolation. Once the Core Isolation option appears, click on it or press Enter on your keyboard. Locate memory integrity and switch the toggle to off. If Windows asks for confirmation, approve the change. You may be prompted to restart your computer later. Once everything is complete, Hyper-V and its related components should be fully disabled. Thanks for watching.